LG front-load washer cycle recommendation, Allergene. Items in your LG front-load washer can be washed more thoroughly by selecting the wash cycle that best suits the type of items in the load. A popular wash cycle for people with allergies is the Allergene cycle. The Allergene cycle is a powerful, high-temperature cycle designed specifically to reduce common household allergens in bedding and clothing, such as dust mites and pet dander. Use this cycle to wash cloths that accumulate dust, such as pillowcases and bed sheets, or with items that deserve special care, like baby clothes and undergarments. Due to the higher energy and temperatures used, this cycle is not recommended for wool, silk, leather, or any other delicate or temperature-sensitive items. Selecting this cycle automatically incorporates steam into the wash cycle. To select the Allergene cycle, press the power button, then turn the cycle selector knob to Allergene. Adjust the spin speed as needed by pressing the spin button until the desired speed is highlighted. Press the start button. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.